stuff. Okay, so it's nothing really new. Part of what we talk about is the neurobiology, the neuroscience of the brain connecting with the rest of our biology, and we'll have Dr. Gamble come back sometime and do the talk on that. Okay, I will not go into that today. But there is a strong connection with the brain. That's why I put it. It starts in the brain. Okay, when I do talks at work sites on stress, one of the first things I talk about, remember when you go to the doctor and you go, my stomach hurts or my shoulder hurts. And the doctor used to say, it's all in your head. Absolutely it hit. Absolutely. It starts in the brain. Okay, so that's an example of it right there. Everything starts in the brain and works through the rest of the body. Okay? The old days, a long time ago in medical model, it was called the reductionist model. The head didn't count. Okay? The head didn't mean anything. The brain, the body, and the head were not separated. That was called the reductionist model. Fortunately, I think we've got enough physicians in our area now to know that that's not how it works. We are connected. Okay? We are connected. I've got all kinds of stories through the lab. We were out at HP for 14 years, and we started talking about this in 1993. 15 pocket protector engineers left the room when we talked about mind-body health. By 2000, 2001, not only did the engineers stay, there were 3 times as many, and they actually stayed through the whole workshop. So research and time does change in our understanding of the brain and the rest of our body. As I put on my handout here, in my career, okay, when I started out in exercise science and prevention, disease prevention, heart was the big thing. Everybody remember that? I would go around to all the service clubs here in Corvallis, and my job when I opened up Timberhill in 1980, I was going to stomp out heart disease here in Corvallis. I started with Corvallis, and then I'll get to Albany, okay? But first, we're going to stamp out heart disease. That's how we were trained. Everything was through the heart. Stop smoking, quit eating dairy products, quit eating meat. High protein products created heart disease, okay? All right, still does. We've only traded one disease for another. Now we've got type 2 diabetes because we eat too many carbs. That's another talk. But we thought the main prevention was the heart. Okay. Now, in my career, I figure I'm on the final stage of my career. Okay. Now, if I still come back and talk to this group in about the next 10, 15 years, I've overstayed my welcome. But the final stage of my career, the brain and disease and prevention, that's going to be the big thing. And that's where I'm headed.